Samosas are a labor of love, so it's the perfect day to make them. You want to start by making the filling. Brown the mincemeat and then add minced ginger and salt. Go in with the green chillies, onions, and dhania and cook and let it cool down before grating some cheddar cheese into it. Give it a mix and then set aside. For the wrappers, you start by making a simple dough of flour, salt, and water. 2 cups of flour make 48 samosa pockets so you can adjust them to how you need. Divide the dough into smaller pieces and then roll each one out into a small circle. Spread oil and sprinkle flour onto each circle and then stack them onto each other. I like to do stacks of 4, but you can do as many as 6. Roll each stack into a large circle and then cook it on a dry pan for literally 10 seconds on each side and then take it off the heat. The steam between the layers will allow you to peel off each layer nicely and then stack them and cut them into triangles like this. To fill the samosas, first create a pocket using an edible glue made by mixing together flour and water. Add a generous amount of the filling and then fold to form the classic triangle shape. You want to fry the samosas on a medium flame so they become golden brown and crispy. And just like that, your meat and cheese samosas are ready to enjoy. And of course, don't forget the lemon squeeze because it's a crime not to.